Hello, today's episode is Seaming from Latex. I have soldering iron. You can use a waxing pen and I put 350 degrees. And I'm using the RBFX Prosthetics today. I'm using the gloves. Then it comes with the seam. This one needs to be burned. So I'm using the soldering and burning little by little, and I'm following the texture. Make sure to go in, not completely flat. And make sure not to burn yourself. And it's better to turn on the vent so you don't smell the burned latex. After burned and dried, I use Bondo. Bondo is thickened Prosaide with carboxyl. And the burned area I fill with this Bondo. First layer is making it flat. When you have a big wrinkles, I make the wrinkle shape as well. Then before it dries out, use a sponge with the water, smooth it out. Once it dries, you cannot fix it anymore, so make sure keep it wet. This is the one to smooth it out. The right one is not done yet. The next step is using the cream Bondo. It's a little bit smoother than the regular Bondo. And you rip the sponge, make the texture a little bit. And I'm going to stipple this one on a smoother Bondo. And the dried Bondo is sticky, so make sure not to touch. I'm going over the seam line, and slower stipple makes more texture. As you see, between the fingers it tends to stick, so please be careful. After that, let it dry and powder. That's it for the seaming. Next episode is painting the foam latex piece. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.